Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Air Fryer Pro is showing an E5 error code warning of overloading the air fryer with food? Let's fix it right away, no filler. First, check if you're following the golden rule of filling the basket no more than halfway. Overloading restricts proper airflow, which can lead to uneven cooking and trigger the E5 error. Remove excess food and ensure there's enough space for air to circulate. Next, inspect the baskets and crumb tray for any buildup of food particles or grease. A clogged crumb tray or blocked vents can exacerbate issues caused by overloading. Clean these areas thoroughly before using the air fryer again. After that, reset your Ninja Air Fryer Pro by unplugging it for 5 to 10 minutes. This clears temporary glitches and resets the internal systems. Plug it back in and test if the E5 error reappears. If the problem persists, ensure that you're cutting ingredients into smaller, evenly sized pieces. Large or unevenly cut food can take up too much space and disrupt airflow. Smaller pieces also cook more evenly and quickly. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, there could be a deeper problem with the internal sensors detecting overload conditions. In this case, contact customer support or consult a professional technician for further assistance. And there you go. Your Ninja Air Fryer Pro should now operate without the E5 error. If these steps don't work, reach out to customer support for further help. We've added the relevant links in the video description for easy access.